brand new community is just minutes away from Orlando's famous theme parks and jam-packed with amazing amenities. Welcome to Champions Gate. Your new full-service resort home community comes with luxurious homes and townhomes, all with private screened-in pools. Champions Gate has been called the Great Escape, a place of peace, solitude, and relaxation. Some of the best resort amenities in the world are here. Let's start with their 148,000-gallon pool, or as we call it, 148,000 gallons of aqua blue heaven. With cabanas, a water slide, lazy river, and a splash park, what else could you need? Well, the 18-hole golf course is a challenge any golfer would love. And there's still so much more, like a state-of-the-art fitness center, a fun-filled game room, a poolside tiki bar, and even a movie theater. It's all right here with Disney just minutes away. Now that's a vacation. Champions Gate Resort. Book your dream vacation today.